Efficient aloe vera mass production has become one of the most important processes in the global natural wellness industry. Today, aloe vera products are everywhere, in skincare, cosmetics, health drinks, medicines, and even nutritional supplements. But have you ever wondered how millions of bottles of aloe vera gel are produced every year? How does a simple desert plant transform into one of the most valuable natural ingredients in the world? Behind every bottle of aloe vera gel lies a carefully designed industrial process that combines agriculture, technology, and large-scale manufacturing. From vast plantations to advanced extraction facilities, the journey of aloe vera is both fascinating and highly efficient. So today, we are going to take a closer look at how aloe vera is grown, harvested, processed, and transformed into products. Aloe vera has become immensely popular due to its versatile benefits across multiple industries. For thousands of years, this plant has been known for its healing and soothing properties. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, used aloe vera for treating wounds, burns, and skin irritation. Modern science has confirmed that aloe vera contains a powerful combination of vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Because of these natural properties, aloe vera is widely used in skin moisturizers, anti-aging creams, sunburn treatments, hair care products, and health drinks. It also has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which makes it valuable in both medicine and cosmetics. Another major reason for its popularity is that aloe vera is environmentally sustainable and easy to cultivate. It requires very little water, minimal fertilizers, and can grow in harsh climates where many other crops cannot survive. This makes aloe vera a cost-effective crop that can be produced on a massive scale while remaining accessible to consumers around the world. Aloe vera plants thrive in arid and semi-arid climates. They grow best in warm regions with well-drained sandy soil and minimal rainfall. Because of these requirements, large aloe vera plantations are often located in places such as the southwestern United States, Mexico, India, China, and parts of Africa. These plantations can cover hundreds of acres of land, producing thousands of tons of aloe vera leaves every year. Unlike many crops, aloe vera is not typically grown from seeds. Instead, it is propagated using small offshoots known as pups or offsets. These pups grow naturally around the base of mature aloe plants. Farmers carefully remove these young plants and transplant them into prepared fields. Each plant is spaced apart to allow proper airflow and sunlight. This spacing also makes it easier for workers to maintain the plants and harvest the leaves later. With the right conditions, aloe vera plants grow steadily and develop thick, fleshy leaves filled with nutrient-rich gel. Maintaining aloe vera fields is relatively simple compared to other crops. The plants require very little irrigation, which makes them ideal for water-scarce regions. Farmers mainly focus on removing weeds, monitoring plant health, ensuring proper soil drainage, and protecting plants from pests and diseases. Because aloe vera is naturally resistant to many pests, it often requires fewer pesticides than traditional crops. This makes it especially attractive for organic farming operations. Over time, the plants grow larger and produce more leaves. Eventually, they reach the stage where they are ready to be harvested. Aloe vera plants typically reach maturity within 18 to 24 months. Once mature, the outer leaves become thick and fully developed. These outer leaves contain the highest concentration of aloe gel and are ready to be harvested. Harvesting aloe vera is a labor-intensive process. Skilled workers carefully cut the outer leaves at the base of the plant using sharp knives or specialized harvesting tools. Only the mature outer leaves are removed. The inner leaves remain untouched, so the plant can continue growing and producing new leaves in future harvest cycles. This careful harvesting method allows the same plant to produce leaves for several years. Workers must also ensure that the leaves remain intact and undamaged. Any damage could reduce the quality of the gel inside. Once harvested, the aloe vera leaves must be transported quickly to processing facilities. Fresh aloe leaves begin to lose their nutritional quality if left too long after harvesting. To prevent degradation, the leaves are loaded onto trucks equipped with temperature-controlled storage systems. These trucks transport the leaves to nearby processing plants where the extraction process begins. Speed is critical during this stage because aloe vera gel must be processed while it is still fresh. At the processing facility, the first step is thorough cleaning. The harvested leaves often contain dust, soil, and natural contaminants from the fields. Large automated washing machines clean the leaves using rotating brushes, high-pressure water jets, and sanitizing rinses. These machines remove dirt and surface impurities without damaging the leaves. After washing, workers inspect the leaves manually. Only high-quality leaves move forward to the next stage of production. Damaged or poor-quality leaves are removed to maintain product standards. The next stage is one of the most important parts of the entire process. This is where the valuable aloe vera gel is extracted from inside the leaf. Each aloe leaf has three main layers: the tough outer green rind, a layer of bitter yellow latex, and the clear inner gel. The goal is to separate the pure inner gel while removing the rind and latex. This process is called filleting. In many factories, the filleting process is semi-automated. Machines slice the leaves lengthwise while workers oversee the process. The outer rind is removed, exposing the clear, jelly-like gel inside. Special tools then scoop out the gel and transfer it into large stainless steel containers. This step must be done carefully to avoid contamination and preserve the purity of the gel. Once extracted, the aloe vera gel is collected into large industrial vats. In large production facilities, the collection process is designed to handle massive volumes of gel every hour. Machines continuously process thousands of leaves while workers monitor the equipment and ensure everything runs smoothly. Quality control teams also check the gel for color, consistency, and purity. Maintaining high standards is essential. Aloe vera products are often used directly on skin or consumed as health drinks. The raw aloe vera gel now goes through pasteurization. During this process, the gel is quickly heated and then rapidly cooled. This step eliminates harmful bacteria and extends the shelf life of the product. After pasteurization, the gel passes through advanced filtration systems. These filtration systems remove any remaining plant fibers or impurities. Multiple filtration stages are often used, including coarse, fine, and ultrafiltration. This ensures that the final gel is smooth, clear, and highly pure. Once the gel has been purified, it can be used in many different types of products. Depending on its intended use, manufacturers may mix the gel with additional ingredients. For cosmetic products, manufacturers may add preservatives, fragrances, moisturizing agents, and stabilizers. For health drinks, the gel may be blended with natural flavors, vitamins, or fruit extracts. This stage allows companies to create a wide variety of aloe-based products. In large-scale aloe vera production, the gel is often packaged in bulk containers before being shipped to other manufacturers. Two common packaging methods are intermediate bulk containers, holding 275 to 330 gallons, and aseptically sealed bags. Aseptic bags protect the gel from contamination and allow for long-term storage. Automated filling machines pump the gel into these containers using precision-calibrated systems. This ensures accurate measurements and prevents waste. Once sealed, the containers are shipped to companies around the world. The demand for aloe vera continues to grow rapidly. One of the main reasons is the global shift toward natural and organic products. Consumers today are increasingly looking for safe, plant-based alternatives to synthetic chemicals. Aloe vera fits perfectly into this trend. It is natural, effective, and versatile. As interest in health, wellness, and natural beauty continues to expand, aloe vera remains one of the most valuable plants. From desert plantations to advanced processing factories, the journey of aloe vera is an incredible example of how nature and technology work together. What begins as a simple plant growing in dry soil eventually becomes a product used by millions of people for health and skincare. And as the demand for natural solutions continues to rise, aloe vera will likely remain one of the world's most important botanical resources for years to come.